Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with PayPal Business for invoice management. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin registering for a PayPal Business account, go to the official PayPal website. Click on the Sign Up button located at the top right corner of the home page. Select Business Account when prompted to choose the type of account. Click on the Continue button to proceed. You will be asked to enter your email address to create your PayPal account. Select a strong password that meets PayPal's security requirements. Click Continue to move to the next step. Fill in the necessary business information, including your business name, type, and address. Provide your phone number, ensuring it is active for verification purposes. Click the Continue button to advance to the next page. Next, enter your personal information, including your name and date of birth. Fill in your social security number or tax ID, as it is required for verification. Once done, click Continue to review your information. Take a moment to check that all provided details are correct. If everything looks good, click on the Agree and Create Account button. You will then be prompted to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from PayPal. Follow the link in the email to confirm your account. Once verified, log in to your new PayPal business account. Navigate to the invoicing section found in the main menu. Here, you will be able to create and manage invoices easily. Fill in the invoice details, such as item descriptions, quantities, and prices. Customize your invoice with your logo and branding. Once complete, save your invoice and send it to your customers directly from PayPal. Monitor your invoices to track payments and outstanding balances effortlessly. You are now set up to manage your invoices efficiently using PayPal Business. Enjoy the benefits of streamlined invoice management and improved cash flow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.